Welcome class, my name is Mr. Zayas and today we're going to be talking about physical education. Physical education, or PE. Why is it important? Why is it not important? Do we need it? Do we not need it? These are the topics we're going to be discussing. So what we're going to be doing is I'm going to break you guys up into groups of 4 where you will be discussing with your classmates reasons and examples of why or why not we need PE. So first of all, everybody get into groups of 4 and I will explain what we're doing. Go. Alright, very good, very good. We got our groups of 4 already. I like it. Alright. Now, for the activity, we're going to take a piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half. Okay? At the top of the piece of paper, we're going to write for PE. On the left side, we're going to write reasons for PE, and on the right side, we're going to write examples for the reasons for PE. So what I mean by that, I know that sounds a little tricky, but what I mean by that is, let's say I'm going to give one away. So the topic is for PE. I want to say PE is a stress reliever. Okay? How is it a stress reliever? Now I have to give an example on this side of how it's a stress reliever. Well, during PE, we have physical activity. We do exercise. Exercise is a stress reliever. The more exercise, the less stress. Right? That's a proven fact. So that would be an example for my reason. Okay? So you guys have 3 to 5 minutes to come up with examples and reasons. Ready? Go! Okay guys, I see you guys have your reasons and your examples written down. I like it. We're looking really good. Alright? Very proud of you guys. Now, I'm going to give you guys this article, alright? This article is called Does Physical Activity and Education Influence Academic Performance? Okay? This article is not biased, so it has both sides. You guys could do a little bit of research on this article. It has a lot of great information. You guys have 5 to 10 minutes to do some research, take notes, and highlight major points that you guys are going to be using in your debates soon. Alright? Give you guys some time. Here we go while I pass it out. Alright guys, now that you've taken notes from the article and gathered some information, we're now going to do the other side of the topic. So we're going to take that same paper. If you wrote notes on this side, we're going to flip it over to the other side. And now we're going to do against PE. Okay? So you're not for PE. We're going to give some reasons and examples again. I don't want you to just use the information that you just learned from the article. I also want you to use past experiences and prior knowledge. Okay? So you're going to have 3 to 5 minutes. I think that's enough time, right? 3 to 5 minutes to get some things jotted down on this piece of paper. And then we're going to get into our little debates. All right, guys? Go ahead. I'm very impressed. I see you guys really filled out that paper in just 5 minutes, so very proud of you guys. The next activity, as promised, I told you guys we're going to get into our little debates, okay? We're just going to do it within our groups. Nothing too crazy, okay? Just one-on-one. right? This way, I make sure that everyone's active and everyone's working, all right? So let me explain what's going on, and I'm gonna bring everyone's attention over here. So, as you can see, we're gonna take the students on the right, okay, which would be my hamburger. You're gonna be on the right, and you're gonna go against Bear over here on the left, all right? So it's gonna be right against left, all right? And over here, same thing. We're gonna do left against right. So it's gonna be Mr. Monkey against my little chick over there, all right? So left against right. We're gonna have the left side is going to be for PE, and the right side is gonna be against PE. Now we're gonna have the right side go first, which is against PE. You're gonna state your argument. You have 1 minute to get all the information out that you can, and I don't want to see you switching sides. You're gonna stay against PE, all right? Now, while the right side is talking, the left side is not gonna say a peep, okay? You're gonna be quiet and listen, all right? Once the right side is done arguing against PE, after that minute, the left side is gonna go and you're gonna rebuttal, okay? So you're gonna have your opportunity to state why you're for PE and maybe go against some of the topics that against PE or the right side just stated. All right. So you guys have 1 minute each. I'll let you guys know when to start. Ready, go! Alright guys, the minute's over. Now I'm gonna have the other side go ahead and argue against what just happened right there. Alright guys, ready? Go! Time is up. Alright guys, I was walking around listening to some of the arguments and I heard some really good points, okay, on both sides. So now what I want you guys to do is, all four of you guys are going to get back together and we're going to work as a team now to make a compromise, alright? So if you were against PE, we're going to say why were you against PE and what can we do to make that better? If you were for PE, we're going to stay for PE, okay? So we're going to make sure that everybody is in agreement and we make everything so that it works out for everybody. All right? You have 3 to 5 minutes to get that done, and then at the end of that time, you guys are each going to present your compromise to the class. All right? So each group is going to come up in front of the board, and you're going to explain your compromise to the class. All right? Good job, guys.